First, make sure the column containing your codes is formatted as text. This is essential for correctly displaying codes that start with 0. Once the column is formatted, we need to add brackets to the codes using a special formula. Click into the target cell where the barcode will appear, in this example, C3. Enter an equal sign followed by a quotation mark, an opening bracket, and another quotation mark. Then add an ampersand and type the reference to the cell containing the original code, here B3. Add another ampersand and the closing bracket in quotation marks, and press Enter. This formula sets up the base for your barcode. Next, copy the formula down the column using the fill handle in the bottom right corner. This makes the formula dynamic, so any changes in the source code automatically update the barcode. For instance, if a value in B3 changes, the barcode in C3 refreshes instantly. After the formula is applied, select the barcode column and change the font to ID Automation HC38M. This converts the formula into a scannable barcode. Before doing this, check whether the font is installed on your computer. If it is not listed in your font list, you will need to install it. The ID Automation HC38M font is available for free from idautomation.com. After downloading the zip file, extract the contents using Extract All. Open the unzipped folder and install the font by clicking ID Automation Chalk Code 39 Free Font. Once installed, the font is ready to use in Excel, Word, and other applications. Open Excel and confirm the font appears as ID Automation HC3NAM free version. With the column formatted, the formula applied, and the font installed, you can now generate barcodes for any code in your sheet quickly. This method is simple, dynamic, and ideal for creating accurate scannable barcodes for inventory, tracking, or any system that requires Excel-based barcodes.